The Hunter MCC controller redefines medium commercial irrigation control with powerful performance and unmatched flexibility. Built to handle everything from complex commercial landscapes to expansive sports fields. The MCC supports up to 108 stations and integrates conventional wiring, 2-wire EZ decoders, and wireless valve links in any combination to match your system design. Positioned between Hunter's ICC2 and ACC2 controllers, the MCC blends advanced control features with reliable components, delivering top-tier performance without the premium price tag. Its menu-driven, multi-language interface simplifies programming, while compatibility with Hunter's communication modules enables cloud-based management through Centralis and seamless integration with SCADA and automation platforms. The MCC also includes advanced flow monitoring and management, allowing the connection of up to 3 flow sensors to detect leaks, monitor real-time water use, and automatically respond to high or low flow conditions. This robust flow intelligence supports more efficient water use and better system diagnostics on large-scale projects. Whether your project demands scalability, reliable 2-wire expansion, or precise flow accountability, the MCC delivers a versatile solution that keeps irrigation systems running smartly and efficiently. To learn more, visit hunterirrigation.com.